Hi, English 122 class. I'm here to talk to you about the rhetorical analysis essay that we started working on in class on February 2nd. And you see I have in the black post-it note on the right the points that I'll be making in this video. So I want to give you a quick preview of the William Safire essay so that you can use it as an example or a model for the rough draft you're writing for class on February 9th. Also, there'll be a quiz, and I'm using that with air quotes, not exactly a quiz, but having read it will help you with the quiz activity we will do in class on the 9th. And then I'm also going to help you to review what academic paragraphs look like, not only in rhetorical analysis essays, but also in academic essays in general. And so let's go to D2L real quick. I want to remind you where to find the William Safire example rhetorical analysis essay. So go to course materials, then content. From the table of contents, you can click on writing assignment instructions. And then I think I'm there. Yep, writing assignment instructions. And then you'll see that all the writing assignments this semester, I will put each one in its own subfolder so that you have all the materials you need for that assignment. Right now, there's only one subfolder. The instructions for the assignment is here. A link to an online textbook with more information about what this essay is like is here. So please read that textbook information if you feel like you need more information about the kind of assignment you're writing for Essay 1. And then this is the example. So when you click on this, it opens up a PDF, which I already have opened, and I've already done some highlighting. So I'm going to take you over there, except I just